Behind the smooth opening of every window lies a rigorous and reliable hardware system. AUOK Hardware Factory, a professional window handle manufacturer, provides convenient, safe, and efficient hardware solutions to customers worldwide. AUOK Window Handle series covers a wide range of sizes, structures, and designs. From residential homes to commercial projects, our products consistently deliver stable performance and a superior tactile experience. Each handle is meticulously designed to ensure smooth operation and reliable durability. We select aluminum materials with excellent weather resistance, possessing strong corrosion resistance and aging resistance. It maintains stable performance regardless of humid environments, high temperatures, sunlight exposure, or long-term use. This robust material provides core protection for window safety. At AUOK, every window handle is assembled by experienced technicians. From parts assembly and screw fastening to smoothness testing, we pay attention to every detail. AUOK window handles are designed with smoothness in mind. Whether for the elderly, children, or construction users, everyone can experience a smooth operation, making window use easier and safer. To ensure products arrive safely in the hands of customers, AUOK uses professional protective packaging to keep each window handle intact and smoothly enter your assembly site or sales channel. Thanks to rigorous production management and consistent quality, our handheld products have stood out in the fierce market competition, winning the trust and support of our customers. As a result, our hardware products are sold in large quantities overseas every year, enjoying global popularity. AUOK Hardware Factory is dedicated to manufacturing more durable, smoother, and safer hardware products. From design and production to packaging and shipping, we always prioritize quality. Welcome to visit our factory or contact us directly for assistance.